Hello and welcome to another Hextom video tutorial. Today we're going to be covering how you can use the new visual editor translation feature to create AI-powered translations for your store. So I have here my test store, which the default language is English, and here I'm going to translate some text into Spanish with the visual editor translation tool. So as you can see, this text here is still in English, and we have the pencil, which I can use to make manual translations, but we also have this button, which we can use to create AI translations. So when I press the button, as you can see here, if I hit OK, it has added the translation items to this queue. So we can see the text on the left. And I can add some more items to the queue. You can see all three items have been added to this AI translation queue. If I don't want to make some translations, I could hit remove and take the item out of the queue. So once you've added everything that you want to the translation queue, you can press the Create Auto Translation Task button here. So that creates the AI translation task. You can see the status of this task in the View Tasks page of our app. So you can see right here, this is the task I've just made. Alright, so I've skipped ahead a few moments, and we can see that this task has been completed. We can see the details here as normal. This is where we can also revert the task if we don't like the way the translation came out. So if I go back to the visual editor, switch back to Spanish, and navigate back to the page I was on, we can see that this text has been translated. One thing I do want to mention, when you create manual translations, you see them right away. However, when you create AI translation tasks in the queue, it takes a moment for them to complete, so they're not going to appear within the visual editor right away. You're going to want to check to make sure that they're complete in the View Tasks page, and once they are, then they should appear here. That's everything for today. As always, you can reach out to us for assistance at help@hextom.com.